Nile, Mediterranean Sea, 6,690 miles. The Nile is a major north-flowing river in Africa, often regarded as the longest river on earth, although some sources claim the Amazon in South America is longer. The Nile has two major tributaries, the White Nile and the Blue Nile, the latter being used the source of most of the Nile's water and fertile soil, but the former being the longer of the two. Amazon, Atlantic Ocean, 6,296 miles. The Amazon River or River Amazon of South America is the most voluminous river on earth, having a greater total flow than the next six largest rivers combined. Accordingly, it is sometimes known as the River Sea. The Amazon is also generally regarded by most geographic authorities as being the second longest river on earth, the longest being the Nile in Africa. Mississippi, Missouri, Red Rock, Gulf of Mexico, 6,020 miles. The Mississippi River, derived from the old Ojibwe word Mississippi, meaning Great River, is the second longest river in the United States. The longest is the Missouri River, which flows into the Mississippi. Taken together, they form the largest river system in North America. Yellow, Huang Ho, Gulf of Chile, 4,667 miles. The Hoang River is a tributary of the Nakdong River flowing through Gyeongsang-Namdo in southeastern South Korea. It originates in Gyeochang from the union of various streams flowing from the slopes of Deogyeosan and meets Nakdong in Hapcheon County. It covers about 117 kilometers. The name literally means yellow and refers to the yellow sand found along much of the river's coast. Lena, Arctic Ocean, 4,268 miles. The Lena in Siberia is the 10th longest river in the world and has the 9th largest watershed. From Yakutsk, it enters the lowlands, joined by the Olyokma River and flows north until joined by its right-hand affluent, the Aldan River. Volga, Caspian Sea, 3,687 miles. The Volga, widely viewed as the national river of Russia, flows through the western part of the country. In Europe, it is the longest river with a length of 3,690 kilometers or 2,293 miles and forms the core of the largest river system in Europe. Some of the largest reservoirs in the world can be found along the river. The Brahmaputra. Most Indian and Bangladeshi rivers bear female names, but this one has a rare male name as it means son of Brahma in Sanskrit. The Brahmaputra is navigable for most of its length. The lower reaches are sacred to Hindus. The river is prone to catastrophic flooding in spring when the Himalayan snow melts. It is also one of the few rivers in the world that exhibit a tidal bore. Orange, Atlantic Ocean, 2,092 miles. The Orange River, in the past also sometimes known as the Gariep or the Groot River, is the major river of South Africa. The river was first discovered by indigenous people, but only explored by Europeans in 1760 and named after the House of Orange, which was the standhouder of Holland between 1777 and 79. Another account of its name suggests that it might have been called after the supposedly orangey color of its water.